Most of the US population is dehydrated, about 75% of us. You can drink plenty of water and still be dehydrated because your body does not have the optimal electrolyte balance. Every time we cry, sweat, or urinate, we lose salt and other electrolytes. So it's very important to ensure we replenish key electrolytes when we hydrate. Proper hydration increases mitochondria, energy production, helps the body flush waste and toxins, lubricates joints and eyes, and keeps skin healthy. The doTERRA MetaPWR Recharge has a scientifically balanced ratio of 6 key electrolytes, including a unique 1:3 ratio of sodium to potassium to ensure optimal hydration for all ages and activity levels. Potassium unlocks the cells so nutrients can flow in and wastes can flow out. It is crucial for proper nerve, muscle, and heart health. This MetaPWR Recharge also includes 4 types of magnesium. Magnesium plays several crucial roles in the body, from muscle function to nerve transmission to bone health. Without magnesium, your body can struggle to produce mood-related hormones like dopamine. Because MetaPWR Recharge has 4 different types of magnesium, it has full body benefits like better sleep, cognitive function, energy, and balanced stress response. MetaPWR Recharge also contains baobab tree extract, which helps water move between cells, ginger root extract to aid mitochondrial activity, CPTG essential oils like lemon to enhance flavor and support detoxification and hydration processes. A few stories about Recharge. It could be a game changer, quite literally. Teenagers on a competitive soccer team take Recharge at halftime to help their energy for the second half of the game. They can feel the difference and they won't play a game without it. When I think of a sport where optimal hydration is crucial, it's a sport with long-lasting cardio. I am amazed with those who can run those really long races like the 50 or the 100 miles. That blows my mind. I've met a few people who run these. One woman tells how she has raced for many years and has never been able to come even close to beating a fellow competitor. She started taking MetaPWR Recharge every day, and during the long 100-mile race, she tells of how her energy went up and she was able to smash her personal best record and came in way ahead of the competitor she could never get close to before. For me, I sometimes get headaches that start with me losing a lot of my vision. When this starts to happen, I go drink a Recharge. Often I'll add 2 Recharge sticks to about 20 ounces of water and drink it down. It's amazing to me how it can stop those headaches in its tracks. Are you dehydrated? It's time to treat your body to a hydration recharge. Proper hydration is essential for your health. Recharge your body so you can maintain the right electrolyte balance, boost your metabolic health, add extra energy, and support your mood. Remember, staying hydrating doesn't just mean drinking water. It means replenishing your body with those vital electrolytes. For more tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle and incorporating essential oils into your daily routine, download my free Mom's Guide to Essential Oils. It's packed with information to help you confidently use essential oils for your family's health. Look for the link below. Thank you for joining me today. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.